everybody. Thank you. I'm having sauteed vegetable. I'll come back maybe, hopefully this month or maybe next month. I'm in Siliguri right now. I'm here to attend a fashion show, basically a fashion award hosted by IFM, Indian Institute of Fashion and Modeling. Thank you, Kim Lim. Thank you. Black is indeed my favorite color. Hello, hello. Hello everybody. I hope everybody is doing good. Hello Alex. Hi, Kanila. Yim Sashito. Hi, hello, hello. Looking so beautiful. Thank you so much. Hi Queen, where are you? I am in Siliguri right now. I'm here to attend a fashion award hosted by IFM, Institute of Fashion and Modeling. Ikhaga Siliguri Chinga. I'm here to attend a fashion award. Kaga fashion award kala dance wa arala event kalang chinga ikhaga. you, Mohan. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Anong glasses, take care. No, I will take care. You take care as well. Stay safe, everybody. I frequently travel a lot, so I'm not in Dimapur right now. I'm eating sorry vegetables. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your kind words. I'm so honored and so blessed to have represented Nagaland and have represented each one of you. I'm so grateful. Right now I am in West Bengal, Siliguri. I'm here to attend Impression Award organized by IFM, Institute of Fashion and Modeling. They have an award, so I'm here for the event. They invited me as a special guest, so I'm here for the event. Everything, and I will be honest, I'm so proud of the way it turned out.